So this is the Treasure X aliens. And I took the plastic off already, but I didn't like open it. Actually, first, let's look at this. So, what you do is you rip it open, look at your mission, tool, release, map, dissect, rescue, treasure, critter, ooze, play, store. And then, there it is. This was a lot of money. So, it doesn't come out like this. Let's look at the checklist. So the checklist. Okay, so, here we go. Mission, objective, I can read. Something treasure hunters have been eaten by aliens during their search for powerful gems. The most valuable treasure is in the universe. Dissect the alien, save the treasure hunter, and discover their amazing power treasures from around the galaxy. Will you find a real gem treasure? I don't know. Will I? Let's look. So let's see. I want this gem. It's like the coolest, I think. It says, ultimate treasure, real gem, something power core. So, yeah, I think that one's like the rare one right there. I really want that one. And then the one I want, character I want Dr. Slop. Dr. Slop is right there. That bottom one in the rare. Dr. Slop. I'm shaking. I've been shaking all day. I don't know why. Yeah. So I really want Dr. Slop. He's super rare. And I don't know what kind of creature or whatever I want. So I think there's a little arrow right here, so I'm going to turn it right. Put that there. Oh, do I like a little bit of this? I don't know. Ooh. Yeah, so I gotta take this off. I don't know how. I can't do it. Wait, okay, I got one side, and then get the other side. Whoa, I hate that. Like that. Yes, okay, finally got the creature out. And on here it says new glow in the dark ooze. So here's our tool to cut it open. There's tweezers, and then there's a little like thing to, and then there's a little knife thing that's jagged. So let's cut it open. Oof, this is kind of hard to get open. Okay, so just gotta. Go up and down and like this. Like how you cut IRL in real life. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, it's ripping off. Alright. I got that off. And now I'm going to use the tweezers to remove his, I forgot what these are called. I'm just so excited I forgot my things that I learned in school. Well, you can like squeeze it and you can feel. There we go. Here's a little tear strip. I don't want to like look on what's inside, so let's just empty it in here. Oof. Ew. Ew. All the ooze. Oof. Oof. Yuck. Oh, here's more sun. Ooh. So, let's see. This is how you like store the slime, I'm pretty sure. Alright, let's worry about that later. So let's whoa, his head just popped off. Oh yeah. So you can put the slime in here, this little thing, and then you squeeze it, and then there's like holes on the side of his head and stuff in his mouth, and you squeeze it and all the ooze comes out. Yuck. Ooh. Ew. Plastic. No plastic. I don't want plastic in my thing. Is this the glow in the dark ooze? Oh my gosh. So, oh, there's so much garbage. His rib cage. Yeah, rib cage. I remember now. Ugh. Okay, now we're going to put it in the alien. I'm gonna put the, yeah, okay, now I'll get the tweezers and put his head on, so that's just creepy. Yep. So, I'm going to dissect. There's a blind bag in him. I think that's my gem or something. Why does this keep coming out of my alien? I'm gonna like get rid of the checklist and put it there, just so that yeah. So this is just very annoying. Whoa, it's like a little pew 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 gun, a little pew 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 gun. I'm so funny. Oh jeez. So there's a weird thing that came off of him. Ugh. All the ooze. I think this is the glow in the dark ooze. You probably got to give it light for a little bit. Here's the creature. The creature. Ugh. I cannot touch this. What do I need to do with this? Ow! I'm just kidding. It's made out of rubber. It's super weird. I don't know what in the world it is. Let's look at the checklist when I'm done. This guy looks really weird. I hope I got like a rare one or something. Ew, ew, ew. It's like a whole bunch of snot. So this is a really weird dude right now. Oh. And this is like slime that you'd buy at the store. This is good. Ooze. It's not really slime. It's not really like stretchy or else it'll rip. But it's like really weird ooze. I love the ooze. Okay. Okay. So I don't know who this guy is. So there's like a little weird mask, and then this is the guy I got. There's like blue on his head and stuff. So let's put his mask on. Just like that. No. No, it's good. We're good. So it's a little mask. And now, what's in this blind bag? this isn't like that green gem. I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna look at checklist right here. So who did I get? I got this guy. Slyle, I don't know what his name is. I can't read it. Oh, here. Okay, and then which bug did I get? I got number 3. And then what is this? Wait, let's see. This goes on here. Cool. And that was all. So let's get this guy. And then this hand. Around this. I'm gonna buy a bunch more of these. And like save up my money because these are really cool. So he has a little friend to play with. Yeah. So this is him like without his mask on. And then there's his little gun. And his bug can like go on his head. It's like a kind of sticky, so it can stick to the alien. But yeah, that looks super cool. Super cool. Yeah, that was the unboxing. Oh wait, on here. I gotta go fast and run out of time. On here, there is this little container. Yeah, it's a little piece of paper. A container to store the ooze. What? Ooze container. Yeah, so that. Wait, is it in here? Yep, here we go. So it opens up just like that. And then you put your ooze in here. So if you want to play with it, you can. It's just right in here. And that's the ooze stored. And then you can put the rib cage back in here. It's just really hard. Ooh, let's put the ooze in here before I run out of time. Just to show the satisfaction of the squeeze. So you open it up. Oof, it's kind of hard to push in there. Gotta get all of it in there. All of it. Just like that. Bam. And then shut it. Ooh. 1, 2. Oh. Came out of the sides of his head and his mouth. It's kind of hard to squeeze, but came out all there. Does this actually glow in the dark? I don't know. It does. It probably just needs light. So it's trying to add light for a little bit. But I totally recommend buying this because it's like satisfying. Yep. It glows in the dark. Ooh. It's kind of hard for you to see it, but it glows in the dark. That's super cool. Awesome. Yeah. I recommend it.